Little trap door to unbox your Bugatti Diva. What? That paint scheme is crazy. We have another little trap door right here. Look at these wheels and all of the detail. Of course, the white glove treatment that you always get on Bugatti delivery day. Check this thing out. This is so crazy. Soul, boys. Oh my gosh. I just can't get over the tail, like all the intricacies of that. You got 6 exhaust tips right there. Goodness. Wow, look at this thing. So this is one of the final Divas to be delivered because the paint is so incredibly intricate. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say. That is mesmerizing. This is like legitimately the coolest car I have ever seen in my entire life. What? I'm telling you guys, Bugatti, time and time and again, they just continue to outdo themselves. Wow. It's truly an alien spaceship right here. The 1500 horsepower Bugatti Diva. So base MSRP on one of these is about $5 million, but I can tell you this paint scheme, this is a crazy paint scheme. Wow. Did I ever mention to you guys how much I love the beautiful state of California? Those daytime LEDs are so sick. Obviously this morning has been a little bit chaotic. When the paint hits the sun, wow. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. The owner of this beautiful Divo, he also has the Vision Gran Turismo, the Bugatti Veyron Vitesse Hellbug, as well as the Bugatti Chiron Hell V. The color palette in this garage is going to be simply unparalleled. That thing is so sick. So it's getting loaded into the JP Logistics truck. It's headed off to Beverly Hills because this car is still in transport mode, so it doesn't have like full power. It still has to go through the PDI and whatnot. Wow, that paint is crazy. I don't know how this happened, boys, but somehow we just got the key to the Bugatti Diva. So this is the valet key right here. So this car has been dubbed by the owner the Ladybug. I just cannot take in this paint. It is so incredibly mesmerizing just to look at. The carbon fiber winglet right there. We're gonna slowly, ever so cautiously, get inside the Divo. You got all the protective film right there, the seat covers and everything. So like I said, very, very careful. This car is worth more than everything I own, and then like $4 or $5 million. Wow. Okay, so we got the key in our pocket. We're gonna push the engine button right there. Oh yes. Wow. I tell you guys, like nobody does it quite like Bugatti. Just the attention to detail, the red leather, the Alcantara, all the matte carbon fiber. This car has 252 miles on it. Oh, we got LC right there. That's of course for launch control. Could you imagine launching this car? I don't really know what else to say. I'm just kind of sort of taking in the moment, appreciating it. Someday, one day, I want to take delivery of a brand new Bugatti. I'm telling you guys, like nobody does it quite like them. We got all the different menus right here. Obviously, I don't want to break anything, so this is not a comprehensive tour. Doug DeMuro did a video on a Divo. His is going to be way better than mine. Wow, all the different driving modes right there. This car is just gorgeous. Okay, so before we break it, we're going to shut her down.